Hello and welcome to Verge3D. From this video, you'll learn how to install Verge3D for Blender. Always download Verge3D from the official website soft8soft.com. Once the downloading is complete, unpack Verge3D archive to any folder of your choice. For example, to your users folder. Now let's configure Blender to work with Verge3D. I'll be using Blender 2.80, but the same will work for older versions as well. Go to Preferences, select Files, and in the Scripts field, select Verge3D folder. Save the preferences and restart Blender. Go to Preferences again, select Add-ons, and enable Verge3D add-on. Be sure to save the preferences. If you've done it right, you should see the sneak peek and App Manager buttons. That's it. You can now preview your scenes in the browser or create your first Verge3D application.